Okay, our water heater is electrically bonded. Our temperature pressure relief valve is insulated. Our temperature pressure relief valve, okay, closer than 18 inches to the tank, should not be PVC. Should not be PVC this close to the tank. It should be metal coming out a short ways. Another thing that should be happening with this is it should have an air gap in it in the same room as the water heater. This is our data plate. We learned this is a 1-year inspection. So we learned the water heater was manufactured 2 years ago. There's our care and use manual. We do not have an electric disconnect within sight of the breaker boxes. So we are going to be looking for a lockout for the water heater. Probably should be GFCI protected, but at a minimum we're looking for an electrical lockout for the water heater. Let's see what we got. I can't read this. I can't read this. We got 2 tankless water heaters. We don't have 2 tankless water heaters. Got another water heater over here. Do we have 2 tankless water heaters? Why do we have 2 breakers for a tankless water heater? 2 220 breakers for the water heater. And then we've got the water heater over here. I do not have a electric service. I do not have a GFCI. And it does not have a lockout. You know who else doesn't have a lockout? The kitchen range does not have a lockout. And the kitchen dryer is not GFCI protected. The clothes dryer, not the kitchen dryer.